The cold and flu season is here, so it is more important than usual to help reinforce your immune system. In this video, you will find 4 home remedies you should try to help soothe or cure a sore throat. Let's get into it. Warm and cold fluids. Sip on warm drinks, such as tea or chicken soup. It's not just for the soul. Or try cold liquids, such as ice water or popsicles. Liquids help clear mucous membranes, keep things flowing, and preventing sinus infections. Warm temperatures may also reduce coughs by soothing the back of the throat. Try both warm and cold to see what works best for you. Gargling. Dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of salt, or a similar amount of baking soda, in a glass of warm water. Gargle, but don't swallow, the concoction every 3 hours for an all-natural sore throat remedy. Salt water can help reduce swelling and irritation in your throat. Baking soda also soothes the throat, breaks up mucus and can help with throat-irritating acid reflux. Steam and humidity. Take a hot shower. When it gets really steamy, breathe in the vapors. Steam loosens mucus and can moisturize and soothe a sore throat. Hot toddy. A hot toddy is a drink combo made with water, whiskey, honey, and lemon juice, served hot. Some people add spices, such as cinnamon, nutmeg, or ginger. Hot toddies can be very soothing. Honey coats your throat and soothes it by reducing irritation. Honey also has antibacterial properties, and the sweetness can calm the throat's nerve endings and reduce coughing. For more honey uses, see the recommended video above. Whiskey, a small amount, too much can dehydrate you, breaks up and thins mucus. Whiskey also dilates the blood vessels on the surface of the throat, so immune cells in your blood can multiply and fight the infection. Spices stimulate saliva production, improving both hydration and mucus flow in your throat. Try this drink out, responsibly, for great results. Rest. Put your head on your pillow at a decent hour and close your eyes. Repeat as necessary. Don't underestimate physically resting your body and voice. But beware, lying flat can sometimes cause swelling due to an increase in pressure at the back of the throat. Instead, try elevating the bed or sitting propped up or in a chair to alleviate the pain and discomfort. Here are 2 home remedies for sore throat to avoid. Doctors warn that not all sore throat remedies are created equal. It's recommended you pass on these 2. Apple cider vinegar. It probably has some antibacterial properties, but it won't do much for the sore throat itself. Essential oils. They haven't been well studied or clinically proven for safety or effectiveness. And avoid things that can irritate your throat, such as dry air, smoking, acidic foods or spicy foods. Lying down immediately after you eat, especially if you have acid reflux. So, when should you see a doctor about throat pain? Always use common sense when deciding whether to seek out medical care. Call a doctor if you have throat pain that's severe, prolonged not improving, or stretches into your ear. When you have trouble swallowing, breathing, or opening your mouth. Are coughing up blood or have blood in your saliva. Feel enlarged lymph nodes, or lumps, in your neck. Have white patches on the back of your throat or a rash, possible signs of strep throat or scarlet fever. Have a high fever. Lose your voice for more than a week or 2. Remember, when it comes to illnesses, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of hot toddies. Wash your hands often. And if you do get sick, immediately replace your toothbrush with a fresh, germ-free one. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please take a moment to subscribe. Leave a comment with suggestions for future videos. We love giving you actionable health advice and remedies.